coming to you live from the inside of my sail locker. Off up this morning to Malahide in order to finish off our keel and do a few other little repairs, like replacing the pulley wheels on our Genoa. Why can't they make all fire extinguisher brackets the exact same? I'm just in the process of changing out my fire extinguishers and the brackets are not the same. So I have to go and disconnect them all, and judging by the size I might have to alter the height as well. I've just removed the old one. I got to remove the one in the V cabin because that has proved to be a bit of a bugger. I think there might be a bolt through to the back wall of the sail locker, so I'll have to go rummaging for that. Anyway, I will continue on with this one. To you live from the inside of my sail locker. I am in the attempting to change out my fire extinguisher brackets, and basically it's screwed in from both sides. So yay, I'll have to hold a screwdriver on this side whilst trying to open up the screw on the other side. Lovely. And today's project is repairing our boom vang, and we need to replace our gooseneck as well because that broke near the Salty Islands last year, and as you can see we have our work cut out for us. We also have other repair bits for the boat from masts and rigging, so we have a fun time ahead. Oh, that was quick.
Huh?
That was quick.
Yeah, it's not so hard. Put the screw down like that.
How are you getting your height?
Try to get the height right so it's all should put down a bit more. To get all these things right, and actually I think it's something we never even looked at before about, was it? Really?
No. They were already set up for us before.
Yeah. Oh, you see?
I think it used to be a bit lower.
No, it was over here previously.
Oh, okay.
So what I'm trying to do is keep the line so it's not snagging anything.
Yeah, yeah.
It's got the right. Right. Almost like, yeah, I do want it lower, don't I? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the line back and just thread it through.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that I can,
Thread it as you're going.
well, then get the right height and
Yeah.
along. Yeah. Catch myself in this now.
obviously the advantage of doing this on dry land is if anything goes over the side, we can get it again. Hand washed cockpit. For filling my fenders and pumping them up, I picked this up from Marine Parts Direct, and it just fits in with my Halford air pump so that it fits in lovely into my little hole here. Our time in the yard is coming to an end. The fenders are back up, and I've just bought a new bow fender, and we'll be attaching and getting ready for launch on Wednesday. Woohoo! Today's Monday, so final preparations are being made. Excuse our noisy neighbours in Dublin Intercity train. Anyway, exciting times are ahead, and we'll be getting our new spray hood soon. Cindy's going to be making that up for us shortly. She was just delayed with fabric coming through from England. Thank you, Brexit. And yeah, we're on the final hurdle. Too short and too long. Fenders are set and ready to go, both sides, and also our brand new bow fender is set up, and now I'm just organising the docking lines to have them set up and ready to roll for Wednesday. Possibly the last time for me to see Wave Dancer out of the water this year until the end of the season. John and I have worked very hard now. New anodes, prop is cleaned, new copper coat, Pulled all washed down lovely. New bow fender. Fender's all set up to go, and our bow and stern lines ready to roll. Our brand new bow and stern lines. And yeah, a lot of work has gone into her in a very short time. Our new repaired gas strut in the boom bang or rod kicker, and I've even updated my lift stickers so that we can see where we are supposed to put our slings. And there. The other one is there. Okay, I know it's not on straight, but anyway.